Convert PDF to Docx can save you hours of manual typing, especially when you need to edit documents quickly without ruining the original layout. Have you ever opened a PDF and realized you couldn't edit a single word? Fonts break, spacing is gone, and tables turn into a mess. But today, I'll show you how to convert a PDF to Word without losing the format, fast and free. First, open your browser and search for Google PDF to Word Converter, or go directly to trusted online tools like Google Docs or I Love PDF. Let's start with Google Docs. Upload your PDF file to Google Drive, then right-click the file. Choose Open With, and select Google Docs. In just a few seconds, your PDF is automatically converted into an editable Word-style document. The best part? Text alignment, headings, and most formatting stay intact. Now let's talk about another fast method. Go to an online tool like I Love PDF or Smallpf. Upload your PDF file, select PDF to Word, and click Convert. Once the process is done, download the Docx file instantly. In the middle of your workflow, this is where Convert PDF to Docx becomes extremely useful, especially for resumes, reports, contracts, or school assignments. If your PDF contains tables or images, make sure to choose tools labeled High Quality Conversion to keep the layout clean. Quick tip: always check the final document and adjust spacing or fonts slightly if needed. It takes seconds compared to retyping everything. So whether you're a student, freelancer, or office worker, this method helps you work smarter, not harder. That's how you convert PDF to Docx without losing format, fast, simple, and efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.